Here are practical, beginner-friendly tips for using LiveChat effectively, whether you're new to LiveChat support or just getting started with a tool like livechat.com on your website or business. These tips mix setup basics, engagement strategies, communication best practices, and optimization suggestions so you can start strong. Getting started, setup and basics. 1. Install and log in easily. Make sure you have your LiveChat account set up. Log in through the browser, desktop, or mobile app so you can respond to visitors anytime, even on the go. 2. Complete onboarding steps. Follow the onboarding, install the widget on your website, connect social channels, if needed, and invite teammates. This gets your support setup ready without confusion. 3. Learn the app sections. Get familiar with the chats, tickets, and archive sections. That's where you'll manage real-time chats, offline messages, and past conversations. 4. Stay available. Toggle your accept chat status so visitors can connect when you're ready, and remember to switch it off if you take a break so chats aren't left unanswered. Chat engagement and visitor experience. 5. Be proactive with visitors. Use proactive chat invitations based on user behavior, like time on a pricing or checkout page, to invite users to talk before they ask. This can increase engagement and conversion. 6. Place the widget everywhere. Make sure the chat widget appears on all key pages, especially product and support pages, so visitors always see it and can reach you easily. 7. Keep it visible and friendly. Customize the chat appearance, colors, placement, welcome messages, so it stands out and feels inviting. 8. Offer support on all channels. Connect LiveChat with social messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Messenger so visitors can reach you where they're already active. Communication and quality support tips. 9. Respond quickly. Speed matters. Customers expect near instant replies. Use short, clear sentences and answer within seconds if possible. 10. Acknowledge first, solve next. Start every chat by acknowledging the visitor's message, example, thanks for reaching out. Let me check that for you. This reassures them you're engaged. 11. Use names to personalize. If the visitor has given their name, use it. Personalization builds rapport and makes chats feel human. 12. Write clearly and simply. Keep language straightforward. Avoid technical jargon unless the visitor uses it first. Break instructions into simple steps. 13. Use canned responses wisely. Templates, canned responses, help you reply quickly but tweak them with personal touches. Optimizing support and performance. 14. Use notifications smartly. Enable alerts for new visitors, incoming chats, and messages so you never miss a conversation. 15. Adjust offline hours. Set clear offline hours so visitors know when support isn't available, and enable offline forms to capture messages when you're not online. 16. Analyze chat data. Use built-in reports and metrics to understand peak chat times, customer satisfaction, and team performance, so you can improve support over time. 17. Follow up and ask for feedback after solving an issue. Send a quick follow-up or post-chat survey to gather feedback. This shows care and gives insights for improvement. Soft skills and best practices. 18. Show empathy and patience. Support isn't just technical. Show understanding, especially if the customer is frustrated, and reassure them as you help. 19. Confirm before closing. Before ending a chat, summarize what you did and confirm the visitor has no further questions. 20. Learn from every conversation. Review past chats and feedback to spot patterns and improve your responses and scripts over time. Summary: for beginners, LiveChat is all about visibility, responsiveness, and clear communication. Start with a solid setup, be approachable and responsive in chats, and use analytics and user feedback to improve your support experience over time.